I'm going to compare YouTube Premium and Amazon Prime. YouTube Premium and Amazon Prime are two popular subscription services, each with its unique features and benefits. YouTube Premium offers an ad-free experience on YouTube, allowing users to watch videos without interruptions. It also includes access to YouTube Originals, offline viewing, and the ability to play videos in the background on mobile devices. This service is great for those who frequently watch content on YouTube and want an enhanced viewing experience. Amazon Prime, on the other hand, is a broader subscription service that includes access to a vast library of movies, TV shows, and original content through Prime Video. It also offers additional benefits like free shipping on Amazon purchases, access to Amazon Music, and more. This service is ideal for users who want a combination of streaming video content and shopping perks. If you primarily watch YouTube and want an ad-free experience with additional features, YouTube Premium is the better choice. However, if you're looking for a comprehensive service that includes video streaming along with shopping benefits, Amazon Prime offers more value. Your choice ultimately depends on your viewing habits and preferences.